कहाँ चले?
घर चले।
घर what is घर?
नहीं घर घर
घर अच्छा
क्यों चले?
बीवी के लिए.
Hi guys, Manav here and I welcome you all to the channel. So it has been almost 8 months that I have done a trek. So I'm back in Manali and I'll be hiking as much as I can before the winter approaches, before the snow falls. So today, a group of 5 people, we are starting this day hike to a place known as Lamadug. It is a very beautiful place and I think since we are in the fall season, the landscape will be amazingly beautiful. And Lamadug can actually act as a very good acclimatization trek. You go up 1000 meters and then you come back down. So as we say, walk high and sleep low. Lamadug is definitely a beautiful one-day hike that I think every beginner should do. So you will love it as a beginner, and it is obviously a budgeted thing. You can finish it in one day, no need to camp, and you can trek through the forest. And if you come in winters, you can even experience a lot of snow. Steep. So guys, this is the Lion King's Rock, also known as Bada Pathar. You can even find it on Google Maps. This is the first spot actually where you can just rest, grab some food. If you're in a small group, you can even camp, but then please make sure that you don't leave anything behind. And you get a very beautiful view of the whole town of Manali. Right now today the weather is a little foggy and there's a lot of haze because of frequent forest fires in the region, but otherwise this place is extremely beautiful.
Wow, yeah, exactly.
The colors of fall. So guys, we are here in the month of October, last week, and you can see that this is one of the most beautiful time to come because these are the most colorful landscapes before the snow falls and everything turns white. So guys, you can see that we are walking at a super relaxed pace. We are not hurrying up, we are clicking enough pictures, we are taking pit stops to have food, we are enjoying the whole landscape. So this is basically a trek on which you can spend a whole day, and it is really beautiful, calm and peaceful. And as you are climbing up, you can see snow peaks, and on the other side, that's where somewhere Brigu Lake is. That's Panduropa. Behind this, in this area is Devtiba, Indrasan, and you can see the town of Manali and other villages deep down below. And therefore it is said that Lamadug is a good hike for acclimatization because you're gaining 1000 meters and then you'll be going back all the way down. This is the sound of the jungle, the wind hitting the dry leaves, crushing against each other. Feels like music. So we made it to Lamadug. So it took us 5 hours 6 minutes to come up here. So if you're like super duper slow, if you're a beginner, 5 hours is the maximum time that you'll take to come to Lamadug. Lamadug is this place, there's a forest rest house. If you continue going up, that's where Kanpari Tibba is. But you can come till this point and again start your return. We are starting back at 2:60 p.m. in the afternoon. Now we'll go all the way down. Oh, what a day it is.
अरे नीचे आओ ना.
Easy. Let's go. So finally the trail has opened up. Beautiful turn. You can see the city of Manali. Glimpses of log hut.
And glimpses of me.
Glimpse of a?
Glimpses of me.
Guys, the trail is ending and then still it is just surprising us at every single turn. We are here on October 29th, last week of October, end of fall, the winter is approaching, and this is one of the best times to hike because everything is so beautiful, everything is so colorful, so fresh. Super lucky. Hey, thanks. Visit again in winters. Yeah, what happened? What?
You need to be out of your mind, man. Why did you put it here?
No, he first installed the board
Yeah, and then
he constructed the wall. Manali Wildlife Sanctuary, do's and don'ts. Just follow, leave no trace, guys. Get in and get out. Camp only when necessary. It was a beautiful hike. Yay!
Take care, man.
See you tomorrow.
see you.
We are back at the starting point of the trail. The time is 4:54. It has been 9 hours, the time when we actually end Strava. I'll share the link to my Strava profile in the video description so that you can also download the GPX file and then you can do the same route all by yourself. So guys, this was all for the video. The time is 5 p.m. We are rushing to the mall road to grab some food. I hope thus that this video will give you a pretty better idea about the Lamadug circuit trek. If you have any queries, any doubts, please drop them in the comment section and I promise you a prompt reply. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.